Shy or not shy?
Touchdown.
I wasn't gonna say nothing, but it's on me heavy. I promise it's getting ridiculous after this drop. Do not.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I go by the Fashion Dial. What's up, y'all? So we are going to be doing a get ready with me tonight. So we're gonna be doing makeup, y'all. Y'all see I just made me a little margarita, strawberry margarita. So we're gonna sip and we're gonna chit chat. So welcome to the Fashion Dial show. But yeah, let's get into it, y'all. Oh my god, y'all, I don't know why I feel like get ready with me videos make me nervous. I don't know, it is so different from vlogging. But anyway, I'm going out tonight. I'm going to like a bar or a club or whatever you want to call it, you know, to celebrate my best friend's birthday. Her birthday is on the 7th, so we're going to celebrate tonight. About to do my eyebrows, y'all, and I'm just using the Morphe micro brow pencil in the color Chocolate Mousse. Y'all, I never do my eyebrows on camera, but yeah, they kind of thick, but I felt like if I got them done, they would be thinner. They kind of thick, not real thick. They kind of thick thin. What the fuck is thick thin? But that's what they are, thick thin. So I was like, I can let them grow out some more before I get them done. So yeah, I'm gonna do my best to get them looking right for tonight. Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something.
Tell you something. All right. Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something.
If you want to achieve anything in life, do it and don't give up on it. Okay, I cannot say that enough. Do not let the negativity stop you from doing what you really want to do. If you want to go back to school, go back to school. You ain't never too old. You want to start a business, you ain't never too old. There's not an age limit on anything in life, so you can achieve anything you want to achieve, okay? I don't know if you guys tried the NYX, the brow glue. This is what I'm using. They're not really giving right now, but I really enjoy doing YouTube. I really enjoy talking to y'all. I feel like more y'all are interacting more with me in the comment section, and that is just everything to me. Like, okay, people. I'm starting to see more people from my city that found my page. What up, y'all? Anybody from Detroit? Comment below. Let your girl know. Where you from? Where you from? Where you from? You west, you east? I'm a west sider. Okay, I grew up on the west side of Detroit. Period. I'm just putting some concealer under my eyes. I'm using the Morphe 2 concealer in the color Peak of Soft Tan. If y'all enjoy these type of videos, maybe I'll go out and buy me some new makeup, because your girl just been sticking with what she knows best. My daughter, she wants to be a content creator as well. And if y'all can do me a favor, if y'all can follow her on her TikTok and her Instagram page, I'm gonna put her name on the screen. I would gladly appreciate it, y'all. It is free to support. She also does fashion content. She also does like little cooking videos. She enjoys cooking. So that's kind of like what you're going to find on her TikTok. And like I said, her Instagram, she's trying to build her fashion page. I'm about to go back in that same concealer over my lid, which is the Morphe 2 concealer. This is my favorite palette, especially when traveling, because it's small and compact. And it just have those neutral colors in there that I love. So I'm going to use this color, which is Sunbaked, and then I'm going to go in with tan lines. Okay. Y'all, one thing about me, I love being a mom. I love my girls. I love the fact that I have girls. Even though I always wanted a boy, but I'm like, oh my God, like how could I handle a boy? Even though I know I could have, but it's just like, I just feel like I was meant to have girls, you know? I'm a girl mom. Like, we all can relate. Bam. Simple. So yeah, I'm gonna throw on some lashes. These are the Tony lashes, extra large, wispy full. Yeah, these are from the Dollar Tree. I love these lashes, y'all. So I'm gonna use this, and then I'm gonna use the Duo glue. Y'all, I'm so excited about my YouTube channel. I feel like it's growing. And I just hope, you know, I get to reach a larger audience, you know. I just love what I do, y'all. I've been doing YouTube for a long time. I started YouTube in my 20s. And back to like what we were talking about earlier, like the younger me, yeah. I used to be one of those people, like sometimes when I post something, I would like delete it and feel like my stuff wasn't good enough. People wasn't gonna like it or whatever. But like I said, I matured really quickly, y'all, and snapped out of that. So yeah, I got back on my grind, and I just love what I do. People gonna find something to say about you regardless. But just remember, I just feel like when it's more people rocking with you, then you know it's the good. This is the good. This is the people rocking with you, and here go the bad. You're gonna let that one bad apple stop you from doing what you want to do in life. Like, people gonna talk about you the way you look, regardless the way you speak. If you mispronounce something, like, we all fucking human here. Like, stop talking about people. I gotta put these big ass bat lashes on. I don't have no more natural looking low-key lashes, so these my party lashes. Hey, how y'all feel about that girl like, yum, yum. Thank you. Popcorn, popcorn. Margarita, margarita. Tasty. What's her name? Pinky? Pinky doll? Pinky? Baby, I ain't mad at you. Get to the bag. Get to the bag. Lashes done. I'm about to go in with the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. So this is what I use to prime my face. It's sticky. Why is it sticky? My face is primed. Okay, so now I'm going to conceal. I'm going to use some concealer to get some of these dark spots covered up. So I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Warm Honey. You look cray cray, but yeah. I'm gonna take a sponge and just blend that in. Quick little go-to look. I feel like it takes longer to do my brows and my eyeshadow. I mean, once I get to the foundation, I kind of like fly through it. Can y'all see? Because I feel like, I don't know why, I feel like this light is washing me out. So I pray when I run it back, hope it don't look bad. Okay. Going in with the Maybelline Matte and Poreless Fit Me Maybelline foundation in the color, in the number 334 Warm Sun. I hope y'all got all that right. Yeah. I Gotta make sure I got some clean brushes before I do my best friend makeup. I see I got some because I forgot to wash my brushes. Something about that NARS Sheer Glow foundation. Not Sheer Glow. Which one is this? The NARS Light Reflecting Foundation. This foundation make me oily as shit. I don't like that. Oh, y'all. So how do y'all feel? I don't know if y'all watch Love and Hip Hop. So, you know, Spice and Erica Mendez, they used to be best friends. So now this season, they just been getting into it like left and right. I've been seeing them going at it on social media. But Erica Mendez called Spice a monkey. Like, really? 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 That's all I can say is really. Like, did you really say that? I didn't like it. Who do you think you are, calling somebody a monkey? And your kids are mixed, baby, by a Jamaican man. So you call a Jamaican woman a monkey. What are you teaching your kids? I heard she just got fired from Love and Hip Hop. I gotta take this off. I be watching makeup tutorials. How do y'all be doing y'all makeup and y'all be leaving y'all scarves like over y'all forehead? Like, my forehead gotta match. My forehead has to match. Because if I don't get it, you can tell the difference, baby. We don't want that. Since I'm going out tonight, I guess I'll go out with the whole shebang, bang, bang, shaboing, boing, man. So, blend that in. And I feel like with this, it dry kind of quick. So, you want to blend it in right away, or you'll get that ashy look. And we don't want that. So, what time is it? It is 5:59. So, I think she's going to be here at 6:30. I'm going to do her a little soft, quick glam. Hopefully, I'll be done with her around 7. Yeah, and then we can get dressed. It's still kind of early, though. So, I don't know how soon she want to make it to the bar, but yeah, I'm kind of like the person that want to go to the bar at the last minute. Like, I don't want to get there early, you know. But like I said, it's her day. So whatever she want to do, we gonna do it. We're gonna do it good. I'm going to contour, and I'm going in with the, what is this called? Black Radiance Contour Palette is what I'm about to use to contour with. I'm gonna contour my nose. So, yeah, contour my nose. I need to put my nose ring in, because I just feel like a nose ring complete the look. I don't know about y'all, but that nose ring do something for me. Then I'm going to contour a little. Okay. We're gonna go in with the Sasha Buttercup setting powder. I do kind of want to update my makeup, so just pat that in. Then I'm gonna go in with the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless Powder, like this. So, kind of like, you know, go over my face. I'm gonna go in with the Crayon Case Honor Roll highlighter. I haven't worn this highlighter in so long, but I kind of want to be, you know, a little bronzy. So I'm gonna highlight with this, and baby, this will give you the glow that you deserve, okay? So I'm going in with the NYX pencil in Espresso, And then I'm going to be using the NYX. This is Milky Gloss in the shade Cocoa Latte Shake. So it look like this. And then I'm going to use Velvet Teddy and Matte. And it's like a little nude brown shade. Put this in the center. And then we're going to top it off with some gloss. I'm going to spray my face with the Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. This goes back to what I was saying earlier, promote yourself, because if you don't do it, nobody else will. So the robe is from Amazon. It will be linked in my Amazon storefront. I will put it below. Comfortable robe for getting ready, getting dressed, whatever the case may be. I love this robe. It's soft on the skin. It's everything my favorite. Okay, y'all, the earring rack from Shein. This is linked in my like to know, and I have some cute earrings on here from Shein as well, so y'all click that link below. I'm trying to think like what kind of earrings I want to wear today. I was really thinking about these. I was thinking about these. These are so cute. Like I said, both earrings are from Shein. Not these. I'm not feeling these. This will go with the outfit I'm wearing tonight. Kind of like a cute statement piece. So yeah, these earrings are from Shein. These earrings are so cute and affordable. And they match my nails, so yeah. I gotta rock with it. This little heart necklace from Shein. I don't know if I have the link to this. I can find it and link it below. Van Cleef Dupe. This can be found in the link below, y'all, for the DH girlies. This is the bracelet I wanted to show y'all. This is so cute. This will go perfect with those Bottega Dupe earrings. I wore those yesterday, but this is the bracelet. This is also linked in my like to know. Link will be below, so check the description box. So I don't know, I might wear it over here. I feel like it's making too much noise over there. And then I'm just gonna wear these rings from Shein, stack rings. All right, look, y'all, I gotta do this whole part over. I thought I was recording and I wasn't, but anyway, this is the outfit, 2-piece set. This is linked in my like to know store. I'm gonna pair them with these black heels I got from Amazon. This will also be linked in my storefront. I might change my underwear. I don't know if I'm wearing these. Yeah. All right, y'all, so I was rushing when I recorded the ending showing you guys my outfit, but I hope you guys enjoyed this get ready with me. I hope you got to see the full outfit because I was kind of quick with it because I was in a rush. But anyway, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Thank you for watching.